In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on SafeSearch filter in Google Chrome. SafeSearch is a built-in Google search control that helps hide explicit results, so your searches stay cleaner and more family-friendly. This affects what Google shows you in search, not what's available on the wider web, and it's an easy setting to turn on right inside Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to google.com, or any Google search results page. Make sure you're on an actual Google page and not just the browser's new tab. If you're on a new tab, click the Google logo to go to google.com. This ensures you'll see the right controls. Look to the top right of the Google page for the small settings gear icon. Click it. A panel will open with options tailored to your search experience. Depending on your layout, you might see a direct SafeSearch option right there. If you do, click SafeSearch. If you don't see it, choose Search Settings from the menu. Both paths take you to the same place where the SafeSearch control lives. On the Settings page, scroll until you reach the Privacy and Security section. Here, you'll find the SafeSearch setting. This is the control that filters explicit content from your Google search results. Click to select the filter option to block explicit results. When this is on, Google will try to automatically hide sexually explicit content and other inappropriate results from your searches. In most cases, the change applies right away in your current Chrome profile, and you can continue searching without doing anything else. If you return to your results, you may notice a small indicator letting you know SafeSearch is active. If you don't see the gear icon initially, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the top right menu appears. Also remember that Google's page design can shift, but the SafeSearch control remains under Search Settings in the Privacy and Security area. A quick tip: this setting affects Google search within the browser you're using. If you use multiple profiles or different browsers, you'll want to repeat these steps in each place where you want SafeSearch enabled. And if you ever need to adjust it later, just revisit the same settings gear, open Search Settings, and locate SafeSearch again. That's it. You've turned on the SafeSearch filter in Google Chrome. With this simple change, your search results should now be more appropriate and easier to browse with peace of mind.